welcome back to my channel Blush and Bloom. This is Neeti and today I'm here with the Lady Raga bag for the month of April. Firstly guys, I'm really sorry, I'm just back from work and it's midnight that I'm shooting this. So the lighting is not that great and I look really tired. So this is like a disclaimer. So let's get started. If you guys don't know what Lady Raga bag is, it's a monthly subscription bag. It retails for a price of 666 rupees. If you're subscribing for a longer time, that is say 3 months or 6 months or even 12 months, you'll be getting a huge discount on the bag. And also guys, if you're watching my face for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's see what this month's bag is got for us. Okay guys, so this is our Lady Raga bag for the month of April. Coming to the bag, very glossy shiny bag, and the material this time is really nice. So let's see what this month's Lady Raga bag is got for us. Okay, there are a lot of goodies. Okay guys, so the number one thing that we have is the information card. The card says April appearance. This card has got all the details about the prices of the product. Coming to the first product, we have a scarf. This is a very good quality scarf and this is actually a pin. You can probably use it as a hair scarf. Maybe? This is actually a hair scarf and you can even use to plait your hair. You can use it like a hair band. Otherwise, you can just simply even use it as a scarf. So it's got all summery colors and bright colors. So it's a very cute, pretty scarf. And the multi-utility scarf with a bow is worth 299 rupees. Coming to the next product, this is a body scrub. It is a Bengal Gram body exfoliator from the Neemly Naturals. I've already tried this scrub out and it is really nice. The price of the Neemly Bengal Gram exfoliator is 550 rupees. Coming to the third product, that is a eyeliner pencil from the LA Girl, and I love the brand LA Girl. They have amazing products and I'm super excited. I have got the deepest brown. I don't think my camera is able to capture the exact color, but yeah, it is somewhere around brown. And the LA Girl eyeliner pencil is worth 250 rupees guys. So coming to the next product, that is a body lotion from the Naturals Co. Cool Cucumber. I guess this is a sample size product. This product exactly smells like cucumber, like a fresh cut cucumber. Well, it doesn't give you any cooling effect. So yeah, okay, this is an average product. Probably I can just use it as a travel product. And the Naturals Co. Cool Cucumber body lotion is worth 545 rupees for 250 ml of the product. So this is a sample size product. And the last thing we have is a surprise gift. OMG. Okay, so this is completely leaked. Okay, let me just clean this up. So this is from the brand Pep and it's paraben free. It's a detox face wash with neem and aloe vera. This bottle is a 50 ml bottle. Anyways, I'm gonna give this a try. Okay guys, so that's all for this month's Lady Raga bag. And I guess even you guys should go and purchase this month's Lady Raga bag. So the link will be in the description box. You can check that out if you want to buy. And also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye bye.